In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to an email in the Spark app. If you've ever needed to send a document straight from your phone, Spark makes it quick and reliable. Before we begin, make sure the file you want to share is already saved somewhere accessible, like iCloud Drive or another connected storage location. With that in place, let's walk through the process together. Start by opening the Spark app. You'll land in your inbox. To begin a new message, tap the Compose button, the pencil icon you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. This opens a fresh email draft so you can add your recipients, subject, and message. To attach your file, look just above the keyboard for the paperclip icon. If you don't see your keyboard yet, tap in the message body to bring it up, and the paperclip will appear along that toolbar. Go ahead and tap the paperclip. From the options that appear, choose Files. This tells Spark you want to attach something from your device's file locations rather than a photo or a template. You'll be taken to the Files browser. Here, browse through iCloud Drive or any other available locations you've already set up, such as on my iPhone or a third-party drive. Navigate to the folder that contains your document. When you find the exact file you want, tap it once to attach it. Large files may take a moment to upload, so give it a second if you see a brief loading indicator. A quick tip: the Files browser includes a search field at the top, which is handy when you can't remember the exact folder. Spark supports common formats like PDFs, images, and Office documents, so you usually won't need to convert anything. If you select the wrong file by mistake, you can remove the attachment from the draft and pick again. No need to start over. And if you're on a cellular connection, give larger attachments a moment to finish uploading before you continue composing. You'll know it worked when the attachment thumbnail or file name appears in your draft. From here, proceed with composing your email. Add your recipients, write a clear subject line, and craft a short message that explains what the attachment is and why you're sending it. If you need to double-check the file, you can tap the attachment preview to make sure it's the right one. That's all there is to it. Open Spark, compose a new email, use the paperclip to select files, browse your storage, tap the file, and then finish writing your message. Following these steps helps ensure your recipient gets exactly what they need, attached cleanly and ready to open.